Thank you. A call to curb the violence and for state leaders to act. A mom mourning the loss of her son came to Raleigh today saying change is overdue. Our Capitol reporter Michael Hyland is live at the General Assembly. Michael, this is happening as state legislators are looking at some changes to the gun laws.
Yeah, we heard from a woman today who lost her son the day after the mass shooting at UNC Charlotte in a separate, unrelated shooting. So since then, she has been advocating to curb the gun violence and to hold killers accountable.
Enough is enough.
Clydia Davis should be celebrating her son Quay's birthday today with him.
This is a never-ending situation for us.
Instead, she has this photo and her memories of him. The day after the mass shooting at UNC Charlotte 2 years ago, her son was shot and killed too. Now she advocates to try to curb the violence, coming to Raleigh Friday to call for change.
It just seemed like a no-brainer. It just, it's not about taking anybody's rights to have guns. It's just to stop the ones that won't do the right thing.
Community activists called for changes like universal background checks and spoke out against a bill that moved forward in the General Assembly this week. It would repeal a state law requiring pistol purchase permits. With improvements to the national background check system, Paul Vallone with Grassroots North Carolina says it's not needed.
Allowing the sheriffs to access older mental health data. So the increased reporting does in fact make the permit system duplicative.
Though the state's Sheriff's Association is backing the bill, some sheriffs, like Gerald Baker in Wake County, still have concerns.
We need every inch of accountability to who's going to be having or possessing a handgun.
This is a bad law. It's been a bad law for generations, and we're thrilled that the Sheriff's Association has finally decided to support repealing it.
Democratic Governor Roy Cooper has said he supports strengthening background checks. It's not clear when this bill will be up for a vote. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.
Michael, thank you.